Hi, my name is Miss Heidi, and for today's craft, we're making reindeer food. The supplies we need for this craft are oats, a plastic spoon, a sandwich bag, a decoration for your sandwich bag. I chose the recipe for the reindeer food, glitter, and sprinkles. So first we're just going to put the oats in the sandwich bag. And then we're going to add glitter. You can add as much as you want. And some sprinkles. There we have it, reindeer food. We hope you liked today's craft. Remember to like and subscribe, and we'll see you next time.